Good times.
I was just about ready to ED at like 6:37, but then of course Alex shows up. Kay is here. Gosh darn it. Hi, Lex.
Sorry. Hello! 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 Good morning, Sam.
Okay ka na ba? You were sick, diba?
Namaos muna ako sa Japan.
Yeah,
Tapos
I noticed
dito.
that.
Pag uwi ko dito, bilang hindi siya ubo sa gabi pag matutulog na ako.
Nagkasakit ka na
Parang
talaga.
ubo na, parang post-nasal drip. Parang
What's
ganun
that? How is
Hindi ba
that
parang-
different from a cold? Iba ba yun?
Parang sa post-nasal, halimbawa, yung likod ng sipon, yung likod ng ilong sa loob, parang meron siyang
Yung
sipon
ano?
na pa napupunta sa
Yung-
lalamunan.
Yung sipon nasa likod.
Oo, nasa likod ng parang nasa likod siya tapos tumutulog siya sa ano. So anong nangyayari?
Oh, lovely.
Nauubo ka kasi sa loob ng ano parang haharang siya, uubo mo. Parang ganoon.
Bakit siya nasa likod? Dapat nasa harap siya.
Dapat nga kaya nga post-nasal, di ba?
Is it like coming from your brain or something? Like, is it like you have leaky
Hindi.
brain?
Hindi, yung sipon mo, dahil napunta na sa likod, umaharang siya sa lalamunan, ang tendency, uubo mo kasi nga syempre may ano Ayun ang simula. So, hirap matulog.
Oh, is it like you're drowning in your sipon? In your...
Kung gano'n ang iisipin mo, parang gano'n. Parang gano'n na yan. Parang gano'n na nga.
Sorry, this is really disgusting. Which means we're
Tapos-
right on brand, okay?
Yes,
on
yes,
this show. Kay, who was also sick. How are you,
Yeah.
Kay? Are you better na?
Well, this morning I woke up super coughing.
Uh-oh.
Okay. Sa kanya, ako tulo ng sipon. Sa kanya, coughing. Diba? Hindi. Diba? Kita mo yung difference?
We were just talking about Alex's lovely post-nasal drip, Kay.
Kaya ka ba na
Oo, kaya gano'n. Tapos hindi ako nakakatulog kasi pag makakatulog ka na, magre-relax na yung muscle mo bilang paputulog sa ubo mo. Tatayo ka na naman. So gagawin mo, inom ka ng hot water, magagargle ka what everything. Pero pagka umiga ka, yung positioning
What's the
Kaya
cure?
kailangan mataas yung ano mo, yung ulo mo.
What's the
So,
cure?
Yon. Anyway, so kwento ko lang. Gusto mo, total wala tayong pagkwentuhan, di ba? Wala si
No,
Mo.
oo. Ano ba? What's happening on the show? I think
Share
Sen
ko
Bam's
lang,
gonna
share
be
ko lang.
here though at some point. I'm not sure.
Hayaan mo na siya magano May syempre kasama yung jowa Hayaan mo na yun.
Si Mohan
Ano?
si Mohan. Oh.
So gagawa ako ng podcast kagabi. So usually pag gumagawa ako ng podcast, wala si Israel kaming dalawa So nauna
Yung
akong
punchline?
gumawa. Punchline with Alex Kilens Revenova. So usually fun yun. So gumawa lang ako ng podcast kagabi. Nag-end up siya as parang therapy session.
Sino kasama mo?
Wala nga ako alam mag-isa, tapos kausap ko lang. Naglabas na ako ng
hinaing?
fears, ng takot ko sa mundo. Bila ako, para bang na-realize, para ipag-usap talaga ako sa tao. Tapos hindi ko
Nag-monologue
na-delete.
ka. Pero
Parang
talagang...
nag-monologue na ako about,
Oh, wow.
kasi parang nakaka-bad trip, di ba? Para sinabi ko, kahit may personal success ka, as long as walang success yung country, yung world, useless siya. Gets mo?
Yeah.
Hindi solid yung saya mo kung halimbawa maganda nga yung career mo. Pero yung mundo mo, halimbawa yung Pilipinas, magulo.
Community.
Yung community mo, kasi halimbawa may pera ka nga, pero yung pera mo naman mababa yung value. Kasi yung country mo
Ang
is...
taas na ng dollar
diba?
rate. Oo.
Kasi parang gano'n, tapos yung mundo, yung gera, malayo man siya, pero naapektuhan ka as an entertainer kasi hindi ka, may mga cancel outside the country kasi nga because of yung situation, di mo alam. Tapos yung pag-travel mo, apektado rin. Kung halimbawa, simpleng tao ka lang, Sam, di ba? May mga tao kasi na parang kahit na middle income, nag-iipon sila ng pan-travel. Para lang, ayun yung pinakaluho nila, travel. Pero ngayong tumaas na yung travel, na-realize ko, tayong mga middle, upper ka man, pag nagmahal, ramdam mo yung gastos. Mga super mayaman naman, 'di ba? Pag nagmahal yung gasolina,
Parang
di
wala
lang
lang.
silang bili. Di pa rin sila apektado. Tuloy pa rin yung may mga private jets yan, mga ganun. Pero tayong mga saktong-sakto lang, mababawasan pa kayo yung mga luho-luho mo. Mga ganun lang.
Yeah.
Mga
yeah.
ganung Mga ganun discussion.
First
Tapos
of all,
paano Oo, parang ganun.
no, I mean, first of all, I admire how you're able to just do a monologue. I find that really,
Kinausap ko yung sarili ko, kinukorek ko rin yung sarili ko, parang ikaw.
Wait, kinukorek
Oo.
yung sarili.
Yung isa niyang persona, Sam.
I was there with you in spirit, Lex.
Oo, pag nagkamali
Uy,
ako.
bayaran mo siya.
Kinukorek ko yung sarili ko. Yun, parang
Wait,
ganun.
this is posted na. I want to listen to this.
Kaya nga, na-shock nga ako sa ginawa ko. Tapos sabi ko, delete ko ba to? Mga 20 minutes.
Oh, pero na-post na siya.
Hindi pa post pa Friday, May 1. May 1 pa yun ha.
Post mo
first day of the
na.
month.
Okay, me one.
Parang ano lang, kasi ang pinagano ko lang yung difference ng pandemic and this, parang similar situation siya eventually. Yung pandemic kasi, immediate, nawala yung freedom natin kasi hindi tayo makalabas eh. Mandated by the government. Huwag ka lumabas because of the, yung virus, di ba? Ang nangyari, etong gera, eventually hindi ka lalabas because wala kang panlabas. Yung gas. So parang ano siya, parang parehas sila ng impact in terms of your mental health, in terms of your capacity to move. Parang ganun.
Wow, but you're feeling it that much? Is it
Yeah.
because you had like some shows canceled na?
Hindi naman. More on the, instead of celebrating, parang alam mo pag magkakapitbahay kayo, tapos may namatayan sa kapitbahay, hindi ka makapag-celebrate. Ruling yun eh. Ang general rule nun, pag may kapitbahay kayo, at halimbawa birthday mo, kailangan tahimik lang yung birthday mo sa bahay mo. Hindi ka makapag-video okay kasi may lamay sa tabi.
As courtesy.
Oo nga, parang ganun ang dating nun, kahit meron kang mga personal parang
Triumph.
success. Diba? Hindi mo siya ma-feel ngayon kasi alam mo yung general public is suffering from this impact of the war. Parang ganun ang discussion ko kahapon. Hindi ka pwedeng mag-ano ngayon, parang, guys, papasok pa nga lang ako, nabuksan ko yung social media ko eh. May article doon. In-enumerate niya yung pagkamahal ng presyo. Mahal na ngayon mag-Grab, mahal na mag-Jollibee, mahal na mag-Starbucks. Sinagot siya na, bakit kasi gumagastos ka ng ganyan? Sinagot niya ngayon na, di ba yun yung mga luho mo sa katawan lang na parang, ano mo, yung parang
Parang
reward
simple
mo sa
joys,
sarili mo.
parang ganon.
Simple joys mo. Ngayon, simple joys na yun, mahal na.
Yeah.
So parang sabihan ka pa na, magbawas kasi ng luho, ha? Yun na nga yung pinaka-basic mong gagawin sa sarili mo para mag-enjoy ka. Ngayon, kailangan ka pang kontrolin. Mga ganon.
We are good times. We are your ray of sunshine this morning. No, but I mean, I think that's a really good mindset to have. Like my personal success doesn't mean as much if the country is suffering or,
Yes.
my neighbors are suffering. Sana our leaders had that kind of mindset too.
So great that we will have an update today, right?
I think so. Yeah, I think Senbam is coming in today. So we can have that discussion with him as well at some point. What about you, Kay? What's going on with you?
Well, I am using the mug you gave, Sam.
I gave a couple's mug to Kay that she can use with Yael in the mornings.
Well, I'm just glad that we were able to hang out on EDSA. Walking around sa EDSA, Yumi and Mara, and we had a girls' day.
That was so fun.
That was nice.
And right before Mara left.
Yeah. So yun, connecting with others is helping. I think I've been going to so many gatherings, but these are celebrations of birthdays. And nagugulat ako, they're always like well attended. I think also because people naman are also looking to be there for each other. I've been talking about this. Like it's like these are a lot of celebrations and parang everyone's going. Siguro yun yung flip side of you just have to be there for people now. Because I also parang you don't, di ba some people like to say my social battery is low, but also maybe it's not about socializing in a social sense. It's just really being there for your community when they do want to celebrate. Like my grandfather turned 92.
Happy
92.
birthday.
So I mean, parang people really showed up and I was really surprised na they stayed and they really celebrated with him naman. So I think that's the opposite end of it. Na, yun, you be there for people.
Yeah.
Because we are all, maybe a little bit needy.
Yeah, we could all use a little, company and a sense of community. Wow, seryoso. But I mean, on the note of like parang supporting each other during this time, it was really nice to go to the vegan grocer when we all hung out.
Yeah.
When we had a girls' day, because that's like a local business, and there's a lot of local goodies there that you don't see in regular supermarkets.
Yeah,
so,
shout out. I had so much like chicheria na healthy.
Thank
It
you,
was
vegan
cute
grocer.
because supposedly it's a trend now to do errands together. So kung magagastos ka rin lang naman daw, they do it and like check something out of your to-do list together.
Grabe, pati yung gimmick, kailangang efficient. In this day and age.
Diba?
Parang nangyari sa akin, di ba, may meeting kami usually ng the comedy crew about our shows and what's in store for the next 2 months. Usually we do it sa chat and Zoom. Sabi ko, I invited them, tara, punta tayo sa Rob Galleria para lang face-to-face yung usapan natin. So,
Oh my God, you call it Rob Galleria?
Oh, Robinson's
Sounds like a
Galleria,
person.
sorry.
Si Rob.
Sorry,
Si Rob Galleria.
sorry.
You're so social.
Mayaman
That's how
siya.
we do it.
Oo.
That's how we do because it's near FOB.
What's that?
What's that?
Pobeda.
Fob?
Kasi POV yun eh. POV. Diba?
Namili kasi ako ano ipopronounce ko na maayos, yung P ba o yung V.
And you went for both.
Naayos ko yung,
Good
nasira ko
morning
yung
to
P.
all the Pobedans listening.
Pobeda.
Kaya Pobedan. She's offended. I'm offended for her, Lex.
Dati Teresiana sila. And I think they're graduating soon. So for those who are graduating, they're probably going to graduation rehearsals now.
Oh yeah, June is graduation season, huh?
Season, yeah.
Graduation
Soon.
season.
Soon.
Tapos pupunta lang ako tapos nung nag-uusap kami doon sa
May Paengs?
sa resto, sa may Rob Galleria sa Fridays.
Hindi sa Paengs? Sa
Hindi,
bowlingan?
hindi sa Paengs. Sa likod ko, may mag-ama na magkasama. Sabi niya, Lex, we're listening sa Good Times Radio. So, yung batang babae, she's around like 15 years old and
Right?
16
See,
years
that's
old.
what I keep telling you, girl.
Tapos yung guy, pero nakita ko yung demographics natin, parang siyang Pinoy Chinese siya eh. Parang ganun. Sabi ko, oh. Talaga? Sabi niya, buti naman maaga ka na pumapasok.
Sabi?
Alam niya yun, kung nakikinig ka ngayon, alam mo yun.
Good morning.
Sorry tuloy ako, sensya na po.
Oh my God.
Ganun talaga, ganun katindi.
May listeners din tayo nanood din sa gig ko sa Bar 9.
Oh
Thanks
my gosh,
for
how was
watching.
it, Kay?
It was a bit of a challenge because I was sick.
Ay, oo nga.
So sometimes, diba, when you're singing, you just really try to center yourself. Sometimes you close your eyes. But then as I closed my eyes, I realized I was so relaxed. And I had to remind myself, don't fall asleep. Just feel the song. Just feel the song. Ganon pag may sakit.
You could get that relaxed during a show? Like, I mean, you're, in front
No,
of
because I'm
people.
sick, right? And that was the day na I was feverish and I was just like closing my eyes, feeling it. And I thought, don't sleep.
Imbibe ko lang yung mo
In the
twister.
moment.
Mo twister.
Oh, yeah.
Speaking of performing while sick, ano masasabi nyo kay
Segue.
Mariah Carey na yung kanta niya, napag-usapan na ba to? Diba dapat
nakita nyo ba
pag-uusapan natin
yun?
to?
Oo.
Hindi. Wala tayo kahapon eh. Ano masasabi mo sa performance ni Mariah nang nagkumanta siya ng There's a hero, pero, di ba? Nakita niyo na ba yun?
Oo.
Because it was on piano.
Direct, can you play this?
Ayun na nga, walang na-prep na mga clip kasi wala nga si Mohan.
Oo.
But this might have popped up on your feed.
Pero
Man,
kita nyo naman naka-professional ako. Speaking of performing sick,
sana ganyan ka
napanood nyo ba?
everyday, Lex.
Yes, napanood nyo ba yung kay Mariah na parang parang inaano siya, binaba siya dahil nag-perform siya ng parang di niya na maabot yung notes. Doon naman sa GC natin, Kay, sinasabi mo na siguro sakit, siguro because of the pero doon sa mga comment section, medyo harsh sila.
Yeah, man, like, I mean, Mariah is one of the greatest voices to come out of, like, not even her generation, like more than. Ano ba yung next level? Diba? Kay, I mean, as a singer.
Multi-generational.
Yeah, as
I
a
just
singer.
explained to you how tough it is. Like sometimes if you're sick and you still show up to the gig or the concert or whatever, it's really hard because you don't know kung may lalabas ba or hindi na voice. And yeah, it's hard because it was a piano only accompaniment. Walang backup vocals, walang band. So it's just bare bones. So you really hear everything.
Oo.
I don't know why she did that.
Direk. Oh my gosh, look at Direk. We have a clip, everybody.
Oo.
Okay, so in case you haven't seen this, let's take a listen.
No, sadya yun, no?
Actually, it became beautiful when she did that. And that's really also talent to just suddenly shift to alternate notes.
Like in the moment.
Yeah. You could
when you listen to your soul.
Because I mean, I still remember when the song came out, and like I just thought she was so amazing. She was so beautiful. And
the cover was black and white, no? Yung black and white photography. So yeah.
So parang the comparison is, it's like night and day, diba? What happens ba kasi? Parang is it because like it's also a muscle, like when you sing and muscle then control, it deteriorates. Parang ganon.
Muscle control.
Lex, please.
I think I don't know kasi the state, like was she sick that day? Parang kasi kasi she's out of breath, no? And all that. So yeah, there are sick days, and then there's also when you get older, everything changes, right? I mean, we know that, but
Yun.
I think it's also allowed that you, especially for those who are biritera, they're also allowed to just like change the key, and that's not a bad thing.
Kasalanan niya rin yan. Masyado na tinataas yung boses niya dati.
Yun kasi yung range niya.
Whistle pa siya.
Her mom's an opera singer kasi, di ba?
Yeah. Do you worry about that? Like,
well, I think, di ba, I always talk about like my straw. Like, you're going for the long haul. Kaya parang, even I think because my body has always been a little bit sera because I have scoliosis, I've not really like blamed age a lot on I know that there's always therapy and there's always things to keep things going like long run.
Yeah.
In the long run. So it doesn't scare me as much because when I say, sometimes age will change things, I really know naman that things can also keep it going and it will be fixed and it'll be okay. Yun lang. Hindi ko siya fear. Like now with my knee, oh my God, now that I'm running again, it's like, wow, I'm running again. It's crazy.
Speaking of yung mga... May nakita rin ako na bagong technology ngayon. Na, hindi ko alam kung totoo ginagamit ba ito. Sperm, salmon sperm.
PDRN. It's called PDRN, right?
Oh my God, alam niyo yun?
Oh. That's been a thing in the beauty industry for a while.
Paano nakuha yung sperm? Salmon.
What I wanted, see, Mara is the one. Please don't make that gesture. Mara is the one that actually introduced me to this. But there are also plant sources of PDRN. No, don't do that.
Alam ko lang kasi.
Nagising ako! Good morning!
Akala ko lang kasi, isa-isang alam mo, dapat magreklamo si Kay dyan. Kasi bakit naman pag ini-inject o kinukuha, that's cruelty. At least man lang, may pleasure man lang sana pagkuha dun sa, di ba? Mag-volunteer na lahat ng mga salmon ngayon.
Is that possible with fish? I don't even know. Like, how does that happen, Lex?
Hindi ko alam.
Ikaw nag-bring up eh.
Oo nga.
Dapat nagtaka lang ako, sino naka-invento noon? Paano nila nalalaman na yung salmon sperm is good for the skin? Sino nag-trial and error noon?
Don't quote me on this, but I think it might be the K-beauty industry. And so on behalf of my people, I apologize to all the salmon that has been affected by this. I think, kasi I think it first started coming out with like these K-beauty products.
Sam!
Anyway, all right, it is what?
Ano, mag-break ka muna kasi
Oo.
para sa next topic na to.
Next stop. Okay, mag-break muna tayo. And I think Sen Bam might be in when we come back.
Let's not ask him about fish.
Yeah. Or like other, stuff that's coming out of the fish. Okay. Yeah.
Kung anong
I'm
beauty,
really
ano?
interested to ask him about, how we can make places walking cities. That's really
Ako naman,
my number
anong beauty
one.
regimen niya lang para lang.
Okay. Yeah. Because he's always super keenest. Okay. I guess we're going to be back with Sen Bam after this.
Good times.
Welcome to our second hour. It is 7:04. Show's called Good Times. Kay is here. Alex is here. My name is Sam. Alex had a topic.
Ano ba siya, no? Wala pa naman si Sen, no?
Wala pa eh.
Okay, kasi may guest kami may show kami ni Corina TikTok.
Sanchez.
Corina Sanchez, GT San Diego, yung si Pat P, sa si Rufa May.
This is a regular
Tapos
show, Lex.
Weekly show, parang talk show siya sa TV5. So, may isa kaming guest. Hindi ko akalain na totoong nangyayari ito di ba, parang paano mo pelikula lang.
Oh, what?
May guest kami na, ang tawag niya sa sarili niya, transgender. So, siya yung, parang transgender siya, tapos ang shota niya, lesbian.
Wait,
So,
are we talking
yung-
about a transgender man or woman?
Transgender man. Ibig sabihin, di ba? Ano ba yun? Yung pag gay ka,
Female na naging male, right?
no, male,
Ay.
male na naging female. Pero hindi siya operated. Parang ganun, transgender siya.
Wait, when you say
Yun.
transgender man though, we're talking about a woman who has transitioned to
No.
being a man, right?
No, transgender, siya? Ano ba, paano ba yung tawag doon?
Kaya nga, Kay, can you help us out,
Hey,
please?
sumagot ka naman.
napanood eh.
I know, but but
Hey.
we're not talking about that anymore. Like, we're talking about just like in general,
Oh.
in the,
Bihis niya siguro. Bihis ba?
Bihis mamabahay na.
Oo.
Okay. Kasi hindi ko ayoko tawagin gay eh. Mamaya may ma-offend tayo. Pero transgender siya, hindi pa siya operated. Pero,
Basta sinabi niya na transgender siya.
sinabi siya transgender siya. So, transgender siya. Pero, lalaki siya na bihis babae. Pero ang jowa niya, lesbian. So, babae naman to na bihis lalaki. Okay? Ito ang pinaka-twist.
So it's like we're back to
normal,
zero.
no, parang kung tutusin, biologically, sila, babae at lalaki. Pero reverse nga. Nagkaanak sila.
Oh,
Ang nagbuntis, yung lesbian.
that's not true.
See?
How's
Panoorin
that
niyo
possible?
Hindi sila fully transitioned.
Hindi,
kumbaga.
wala nang problema dun sa whatever operation. Basta,
Kaya they were
ang-
able to conceive.
diba?
I'm so confused.
Ang sexual orientation nila is yung lalaki, feeling niya babae siya, yung babae naman lalaki. Parang ganon.
Okay, so it was the lesbian woman who got pregnant,
Oh.
obviously, right?
Nabuntis siya.
Yes. Okay, got it.
Oh. Sa lumang kung di ko lang pahihirapan yung term, bakla at tomboy. Okay? Ganun ayun yung lumang term eh. Para magkait niya din sa mga titos and titas natin. So may lesbian and gay, nagkatuluyan sila. Tapos, nabuntis nung gay yung lesbian.
Yeah.
So may anak sila. So, totoong nangyari yun. So ngayon, yung mga tanong-tanong namin, technically, pwede sila magpakasal. Kasi,
Right.
biologically, wala pang problema sa batas yung biological male and female, di ba? At ang nagbuntis yung tomboy at nagbe-breastfeed din siya.
Oh.
So, ang nakakaano lang dito is yung parang dynamics na gano'n yung kasi ang tanong ko ito eh. Siyempre sabi niya paano nalaman ng tatay mo na tomboy ka? Siyempre, nung nalaman, tomboy ka, siyempre yung tatay may adjustment. So natanggap niya na ngayon tomboy anak niya. Paano mo ibabalita sa tatay mo tinanggap ka na tomboy, nabuntis ka? Kaya parang, tayo buntis, ha? Parang gano'n. So yung mga ganong dynamics ng tanong namin.
How
Pero
they
tanggap
take the
naman
news
sila.
daw?
Parang gano'n.
Natuwa naman sila?
Oo, sabi nung nanay kasi very, rin yung nanay eh, very
Supportive.
forward thinking.
Yeah.
Thinker yung nanay. Ang nakausap namin yung nanay ng lesbian eh. So, pero yung yung dynamics lang. Pero ang tawag niya ang gusto na itawag ng anak nila sa Ayla is mama yung biological na girl, papa yung biological na lalaki. Ganun pa rin.
Okay.
So siyempre, yung mga tanong, ayun, ganun pa rin. Yung lesbian, tawag niya mama. Tatawagin niya mama. Baby pa kasi. Nasa 1 month old pa lang. Siyempre, mga tanong namin dyan, how will you explain to your daughter? Tapos ano yung mga preparation na gagawin nila pagka nag-aaral na yan, di ba? Siyempre, yung malalaman yung situation. So, sana naman mas open-minded na yung society with this kind of ano, di ba?
Do they plan to marry?
Hindi na namin natanong. Pero technically, pwede sila magpakasal bilang biological, di ba? Wala silang problema pa sa batas nun.
Yeah.
Kasi di ba? Yan. Kaya, napaka parang pampelikula.
When is this show, Lex? I mean, that's quite the panel. You, Corina
Yeah.
Sanchez.
I see it a lot online, no?
G3 San Diego is a trans.
A writer.
Tapos,
I went to college with G3.
Oh, really?
Cool.
Ateneo?
Super brilliant mind.
Nasaan
Like,
siya?
Ay, Lasal pala.
Ateneo High School.
Oh, yun. Okay.
Ayan, Lasal. Isa sa mga writer ng ABS-CBN.
Talino, sobrang talino.
Yan, so yun. Saka si Rupa May. Kasama namin.
Yun. Yeah, wow. That's like a powerhouse panel.
I love Peachy.
Yan si Peachy.
So cute.
Yan.
Oh, and then?
Ayun lang, gusto ko lang kwento sa inyo yung mga na-encounter ko araw-araw. Bakit ko ganito ako mag-isip ngayon na parang, yung mga naiisip natin na parang sa pelikula, kalokohan naman yun. Kasi pag pinopose ko yan halimbawa sa producer, kasi nagpo-post ako dati ng mga concept sa ABS-CBN eh. When you go there, minsan ipo-post mo, sasabihan ka na, mangyayari pa sa totoong buhay yan. Mahirap yan yun, justify. Meron po akong pelikula. May tomboy, may gay, nagkagustuhan sila, tapos nagkaanak. Sana medyo, pero ngayon talagang totoong buhay.
Yeah. Can you tell them when it's on? I mean, it's an interesting show, Lex.
Sunday, it's every, kailan ba yung show ko na yan? 9:30 p.m. 9:30 p.m. every Saturday sa TV5. Tapos may replay sa 1PH. Yun. At gusto palang mag-guess. Gusto mag-guess. Ni Rico Blanco. At Sue Ramirez dito dahil may pelikula na ako. Yung Project Baby.
Oh, okay. I saw.
Because you're part of the movie.
Oh my gosh, Lex, are you doing another movie?
Yes!
What's your
Kasi nga they were trying to get
role?
somebody who was older.
Ay! Aray!
Di ba sabi mo, kwento ni Kuya Alex last time. I did see
Wala ko
Sue.
na ito
May kwento ka.
The
Wait,
Project, best friend ako ni Rico.
I saw a post of Rico Blanco and Sue Ramirez together. They posted a picture and I thought it was a relationship announcement. Yun pala, they have a movie together. Di ba,
May movie. May movie.
Sure.
Hey, Senbam. Good morning.
Good morning.
Hey guys, good morning.
Hi.
Gandang umaga, good morning.
mo.
Uy!
We were wondering about your skincare regimen earlier, actually. Do you care to share?
Wala nga, shampoo lang na tumutulo sa mukha ko. Yun lang talaga.
There is no justice in this world.
Antipid.
Yun talaga, yung shampoo, gaganon-ganon mo, di ba? Tapos gaganon mo. Tapos na.
Seryoso?
Wow.
Yes.
Sen.
Yes, talaga. So, ano to? Genetics to, genetics.
Jeanette.
Thank you, Daddy. Daddy ko, walang kapimpol-pimpol buong buhay niya. Yung tatay ko. Yeah. Even now, he's 83, and okay pa rin.
You have, taken after him, obviously.
Yes, so,
Ano ba ang
thank
cut-off
you,
ng
thank you.
pimple? Nakakaya bang magka-pimple
question.
ng mga pag
I still get it. I have it
Saan?
on my forehead right now.
Meron.
And then there's one on my chin that's healing. So it's
okay.
Wow.
Baka in love na.
At
Ay, no,
53,
okay.
At
May pimple ka,
53,
pre?
Sa nose.
Talaga.
Ayun naman ang ano.
Saan
Ayun
ang
naman ang in love.
Saan ang pinaka masakit na area ng mukha mo na magka-pimple?
Ilong.
Ilong.
Inside.
Okay.
Inside.
Ako dito sa gilid.
Yeah.
Yan.
That's
Yung
pretty
gilid.
bad.
Ang
Meron
sakit
ako
yan.
actually dito. Masakit to i-prick sa may
Ito ang
Lash.
kombinasyon.
On your brow
Kombinasyon
bone.
sa
Eyebrow.
loob. Sa loob ng ilong, tas may sipong ka.
May post-nasal drip ka, ganon.
Yan, masakit yan.
Yung, ano ba,
How are you,
nung,
Sam?
I'm good. Alam mo nung, back to pimple. Di ba nung high school tayo, since, well, I'm a little bit older than some of you here. Di ba,
Not that
sabi
much.
dapat pinuputok yung pimple? Di ba?
What are we supposed to? I don't
Yun
know.
pala.
Yun kasi sticker na lang eh.
Ngayon pala, hindi pala tama yun. Mali pala yung pinuputok mo yung pimple
Oh,
mo.
I think you're supposed to just kind of make it write it out.
Oh, just write it out. But di ba, umabot ka ba doon sa Sam nung yung advice was kailangan mong ganunin yung pimple
The
mo?
advice I heard when I was growing up was you're supposed to put toothpaste on it. Which I think is wrong.
Yes!
Wrong,
Toothpaste
wrong.
back then.
Diba?
Mali.
Mali.
Okay.
Paduguin mo.
Di ba yun, di ba? Paduguin mo.
Tama.
Yun yung alam ko eh.
Sakit nun.
Ang ganun yung nana para.
Di ba? And then suddenly, wag palang gagalawin.
Yeah. Especially kapag hindi pa siya ready.
Yes, and now, star. May star.
Put a smiley
Green.
face.
Neon.
Wow, mag-adjust pa ako sa
Good
pimple
time,
pag
purple
ready
green
siya.
hearts.
Oh,
Should have pimple patches.
pimple patches
Ah, oh, yun ba tawag doon? Pimple patch?
Yes.
Yun ba
Yeah.
tawag doon?
It's a thing, Sen.
Yes, it's a thing. Kasi kahit sa opisina, di ba, yung some of our younger staff, papasok may mga stickers.
You will never
Yan.
need it.
Well, I'm 48, so sana naman hindi
And just
na.
because, you've always
Sana
had
hindi
flawless
na.
skin.
No, hindi totoo yan. Nung high school ako, may pimples rin ako. But it cleared up.
Okay. Shall we talk about more important pressing matters?
Right,
such as-
right.
Yes,
Sure.
The country.
Pressing matter.
Pressing matter.
Sa pimple. Ang ganda.
Hindi, pero before the pressing matters, gusto ko lang batiin yung mga estudyante ng University of Caloocan City. Hi guys! I was their graduation speaker nung Monday. Yes, so
Graduation time.
Yep, it's graduation time.
Yes.
By the way, sa sobrang
Season. We like to say season.
season and it's basically parang 3 buwan na yung graduation season. Like noon kasi puro March, 'di ba? Like March,
Yeah.
from March 1 all the way till the end of March, puro graduation. Ngayon, meron na tayong graduation hanggang June meron tayong graduation invitation, 'di ba? Ang haba. But University of Caloocan City, that's a local university. And pinagmamalaki rin nila. So kasama ko rin si Mayor Malapitan and Congressman Malapitan. So that LUC, yung local university, pinagmamalaki nila, libre na yon bago pa yung batas ko.
Oh.
Yeah, galing. So,
As it should be, no?
Wow.
well, as it should be. And of course, nung 10931 was passed, then all of the state universities and over 100 local universities na tulungan. Pero sila, bago pa yung batas, libre na siya.
Amazing.
Yeah,
Really?
it's so cool, di ba?
Is it a big school, Sen?
It's a big school.
Wow.
13,000 yung estudyante nila.
Strong. Wow.
Malaki, 13,000.
Known for
Around
what
13,000.
courses?
Iba-iba. They had a lot of business courses, may IT courses. Meron silang law school.
Really?
Yeah, alam mo,
Amazing.
medyo advanced tong University of Caloocan City. And yung maganda dyan is, ang saya nung vibe. It was held at MOA Arena.
It's a big venue.
It's a big venue. And ano siya, puno siya. With the parents in the lower box. Yung mga estudyante dun sa court. Tama ba? Dun sa
Sa baba.
baba.
Yeah.
Hanggang sa upper box. Tama ba? Upper box ba yung una?
Yeah.
O lower box? Ano yung first?
VIP,
Okay.
lower box, ano ba?
Okay, so tama naman. The graduates were at the court side tsaka VIP, VVIP.
Wow.
And then yung mga magulang na all the way up and siguro yung mga barkada na dun sa pinakataas. So ito
GE na yung general admission.
yung mga barkada doon ko lang sa taas. So medyo masaya naman yung graduation and I was so inspired kasi they sang Saranggola. You know, yung parang graduation
by Ben
song
and Ben.
by Ben and Ben.
Oh, we
And-
should play it after.
Okay,
Let's see if
and
we have it.
Later.
I'm sure you have it. And parang una pa lang, pinakanta na sila. Kumakanta na sila. And everybody was so...
Saranggola'y lilipad.
Yon. And everybody was singing. Sobrang ako na-inspire sa kanila. Wala. Sorry, Ben and Ben. But I just like to do a shout out sa mga graduates ng University of Caloocan City, the teachers, the admin, and lahat ng mga tao doon. Thank you for inviting me nung Lunes.
So when a
Love
huge
it.
university runs, and like that and gives free education, like so that funding comes from the
That funding comes from them.
Local government.
So,
LGU ang nagpa-fund doon.
so technically, so syempre tinatanong ko yan. Sabi ko, are you getting funding from the national government? And sabi nila, may ilang requirements pa kaming kulang. So right now, it's all funded by the city.
Amazing.
But most local universities, ito yung payo ko rin sa kanila. As soon as the law was passed, marami sa kanila, minadali talaga yung requirements para makuha nila yung funding from national. Nung nakuha nila yung funding from national, it freed up the expenses na ginagamit nila. Yun yung ginamit nila to hire more teachers, to build buildings, to put up new courses, to expand, or ginamit nila for other services of the city or the municipality, di ba? So that funding is really important, and as long as you fulfill the requirements of CHED, a local university can get funding from the national government. There's over 100 local universities right now. So over 100, mga 113 if I'm not mistaken, state universities, 100 plus local universities. And of those local universities, siguro 80% dyan nakakakuha ng tulong sa libreng kolehiyo. So all of that, yan yung pinupondohan ng national government. And creating, all of these scholarships, lahat ng mga chance ng mga kabataan na makagraduate, makakuha ng magandang trabaho. Yun talaga. And in my speeches kasi sa graduation, I try to
what
be
did you tell them?
I try to be very interactive, 'di ba? So yung isang ginawa kong medyo experiment. So marami ako diyan, tumayo kayo, tumingin sa kaliwa, tumingin sa kanan para kasi these days kung hindi interactive medyo boring na 'di ba? So yung isang pinagawa ko sa kanila, sabi ko, lahat kayo dito sa kanan. Tumayo. 'Di ba? Lahat kayong kasi naka-yellow
is that their color?
Yung tawag diyan?
Toga?
Hindi toga, pero
hindi.
yung nakasabit. So, di ba toga is the robe?
yeah.
But meron silang nakasabit na kulay, di ba?
Okay.
Based on their course. So, kayong lahat nakadilaw, tumayo kayo. So, that's half, di ba? That was, if I'm not mistaken, 6,000 sila eh. So, 3,000 yun na tumayo. Okay, 3,000 tao. And then, sige, kayong 3,000 was the audience then. Kayong first 2 rows dito tumayo. Okay? Kasi we talked about ano yung mga dapat matapos na at ano yung dapat magsimula na, no, sa ating bayan. And sabi ko, alam nyo, itong kalahating ito, this represents 50% of our country. Itong nakatayo ditong 2 row, so that there are about siguro 30 people. This represents 1% of the country, no? And sa ating bansa, itong 1% na to, mas malaki pa yung kinikita kaysa sa lahat ng nakatayo dito sa kanan. Yeah.
You know what, Sen? Si Alex was getting a little sad. Ay, nawala siya.
Sad talaga, nawala.
Kasi, he was actually, this was the first thing he mentioned. Parang he was, I guess, parang meditating on, what's happening in the world right now and how, yes, he could be successful on a personal level, but if the country is not successful,
your community,
and other people in
your
the
circles,
country,
no?
Bad trip pa rin.
Yeah.
Yeah, I get that. So, yun. So, medyo eye-opener yun for many of the students na, okay, ganun pala ekonomiya natin. Na the top 1% earns more than the bottom 50%. I mean, think about that, di ba? Ang total na kinikita ng 50% ng kababayan natin, mas maliit sa kinikita ng top 1%. Di ba? That's a lot of, yan ang mga pinag-uusapan
That's the
ngayon.
discrepancy.
Yan yung mga pinag-uusapan ngayon, di ba? Parang who gets the support? Who gets the support from government? Sino yung nakakakuha ng ayuda? Di ba? When the truth is, napakaraming Pilipino yung naghihirap talaga. Di ba?
To make the gap smaller.
To make the gap smaller and to also support our countrymen na nangangailangan pa rin ng tulong. Okay? Because, so yung 49% na nakaupo, okay, may bottom 50% ka nakatayo. May 1% kang nakatayo at nagtitinginan sila. So yung dami nitong mga tao sa kanan tsaka yung napakaliit na tao dito sa harap, no, na 2 rows lang sila in that graduation. Syempre, it illustrates, di ba? But yung 49% na nakaupo, di ba? Yan yung usually hindi talaga nabibigyan ng tulong. And this is our discussion about the middle class. Di ba? Kasi yung middle class sa bansa po natin, we talked about this 2 weeks ago, ang definition niyan sa gobyerno is people or families of 5 earning 28,000 pesos to 167,000 pesos. Okay, yun yung tinatawag na middle class sa ating bansa. And usually, kapag middle class ka na, hindi ka na nakaka-avail ng mga programa ng gobyerno. Tama naman na suportahan natin yung pinakamahihirap at yung mga talagang delikado yung sitwasyon. But that set needs support because yung karamihan ng middle class nasa 28,000 to 55,000 pesos.
For a family of 5.
For a family of 5,
Yeah.
So, yung set na yan, hindi yan nakakakuha ng tulong. Kadalasan, hindi yan makakakuha ng tulong. But with the cost of living now, kailangan na rin ng tulong ng mga Pilipinong yan, di ba? Ng mga pamilyang yan. So, we're trying to reorient the way government provides support. We're trying to reorient the way that we look at who should get the support. So, babalik tayo sa usapin ng excise tax, di ba? Where we're calling for the suspension of excise tax and we're trying to explore also yung pagbaba ng VAT. And people say, hindi, kasi yung excise tax, sa ano lang yan eh. Sa mayayaman lang yung ano dyan. Mayayaman lang yung makikinabang dyan kung isuspend yung excise tax. Yan yung mga arguments, di ba? Na nilalabas ng mga taong ayaw isuspend yung excise tax. But if you look at the numbers, if you look at majority of our countrymen, I would say up to 70% kumikita ng less than 55,000 pesos. 70% yan. Yan yung nangangailangan ng tulong. And there's a set there na hindi talaga nasasama sa mga programa. So unang-una, yung bottom 50, hindi pa talaga maayos yung mga listahan na yan. Kasi even though may mga pantawid pasada, may mga programa sa ayuda, may farmer support programs, pag-ikot namin, meron pa rin magsasabi, Sen, di naman kami kasama sa listahang yan eh. Di naman kami kasama pag nagdi-distribution eh. Wala naman kami dyan eh. So, yun pa lang, mayroon ng kailangang ayusin. That the lists are efficient, they're correct, at yung dapat matulungan, talagang dapat natutulungan. Pero meron talagang set dyan na hindi talaga nakakakuha ng tulong, na dapat nabibigyan ng tulong. And that's the middle class. That's that part na, I would say, kung kumikita ka from 28,000 to maybe 55,000 for a family of 5 income, dapat kasama ka rin sa mga programa ng gobyerno. And later, in the Protect hearing, kasi magkaka-hearing, I'll try to bring up yung lifeline. Yung lifeline charges.
Is
Okay.
this about the electricity?
Yes, okay.
Because this is so funny
Okay.
that we should be talking about this right now because Alex fell off the Zoom kasi may brownout.
This is like the 90s.
Bigyan mo ng lifeline yung taong yan.
You can't write this stuff.
Okay.
Like, goodness. Okay. You filed a resolution.
Yes.
Ken,
So,
right?
hindi pa siya bill.
Yeah.
Okay, kasi gusto pa naming aralin talaga, no? But my understanding is, in our old laws, in IPIRA, and this was extended eventually, merong support para dun sa mga pinakamahihirap. Okay po yun. Maganda po yan.
Yeah.
Okay. Kaya lang, unang-una, they had other consumers pay for this. Okay. So, sinasubsidize ng...
That's the term.
Sinasubsidize ng marami sa mga consumers, specifically those who consume more than 100 kilowatt hours. Okay? 100 kilowatt hours is about 1,400 pesos na bill.
Okay.
Okay? Kasi, so syempre guys, inaral ko na rin to. So per kilowatt hour is about 14 pesos. Kung di ko nagkamali, about less than 15 pesos. So kung nag-consume ka ng less than 100 kilowatt hours, libre ka. Okay? Or may subsidies ka. Pero yung nagbabayad ay mga iba pang consumers.
Parang
Okay.
socialized billing ba
Yes.
siya?
The other consumers, aka yung middle class and everybody else, nagbabayad din naman tayo ng tax. So yung tanong naman ng mga tao, kung may subsidy yan, ba't di na nila kinuha doon sa tax na binabayad naman talaga natin? Sa income tax, sa VAT. So para siyang bagong tax.
Yeah.
I mean, think about it,
di
diba?
Taxes that we're
Okay.
paying.
So kinaklaro ko pa, hindi ko po sinasabi na tanggalin yung suporta sa mga nangangailangan nating kababayan. Yung tanong talaga, sino ba dapat magbayad nito?
yeah, where are you supposed to get that?
Oo, okay. So that's the first question. Tama ba na other consumers are subsidizing this? Considering na karamihan naman sa atin, nagbabayad na tayo ng buwis.
Right.
'Di ba? Meron namang ayuda programs na ang gobyerno. Ba't di na lang sinama to doon? Ba't pa siya bagong dagdag sa bill natin? Okay. Pangalawa, it's the targeting. 'Di ba? In this day and age na alam na natin sino yung mga pamilya sa 4Ps, sino yung ganyan, sino yung mga nangangailangan. There are so many lists right now. In fact, pinagdedebatihan yan, kasama ka ba sa mga listahan or not. Pwede ka mag-targeting. Kasi yung consumption, based on consumption, although it's easier for the electric companies to do the subsidies and lifeline computation, pero hindi niya nalalahat talaga yung talagang lahat ng nangangailangan. 'Di ba? So, we go back to the question, sino ba talaga yung struggling sa panahon ngayon? It's not just the bottom 20%. I would say yung struggling ngayon is up to 70 to 80% of our countrymen. Yun yung mga kumikita ng a little bit above the living wage or around the living wage. Iba pa po yung living wage sa minimum wage. We talked about this also a few months ago. Yung living wage, yung kaya mong mabuhay na komportable at abot ang lahat ng mga gastusin ng inyong pamilya. So that's the living wage, right? Some would say that's above 30,000, maybe 40,000 na sa panahon ngayon. And marami sa kababayan natin who earn around the living wage, kailangan ng tulong yan. Kasi may magkasakit lang, may maaksidente lang, may grabe nangyari, nahulugan ng puno yung bahay, kailangan i-repair, hirap na kaagad yan. So, maybe that's the question. Paano natin marireorient yung mga programa ng gobyerno, yung tulong na ito, hindi lang para sa bottom 20 or bottom 30, i-expand natin siya hanggang sa lahat ng mga nangangailangan talaga ng tulong. And that's gonna be, feeling ko up to about 70% of the Filipino people. So, it's an interesting discussion, but kung ma-reorient natin yan, maybe more Filipinos can avail of the support na pwede namang ibigay ng gobyerno din o dapat ibigay ng gobyerno. So mamaya, I'm gonna ask about the lifeline rate. Konting questions rin sa DOE because they're there later. Pero eventually, I think it'll be a separate hearing in the Senate, no, mapag-usapan and to see kung may mga paraan ba na we can lessen. People are arguing, ang late-late lang naman yan sa bill. Kasi may nakita ko mga bill parang 20 pesos, 30 pesos. But at the end of the day, pag may kinukuha ka sa mamamayan, di ba? Taxes, di ba? Dapat sigurado yan na tama yung computation, dapat fair yan, di ba? At sa panahon ngayon, napakiramdam ng napakaraming tao, ninanakawan tayo, yung bawat pisong yan talagang mahalaga. And people wanna make sure it goes to the right places.
Amen.
Di ba? So,
Amen tuloy ako.
so, yan yung mga susunod po. Watch out.
Yeah.
Watch out for the next couple of weeks. By the way, next week, we're back at session. So, we were on session break this month. Napakarami nangyari sa buwan na to. But next week, we're back in session. That's a short session time. It's about 1 month. And of course, ang rami nangyayari sa buwan na yan. Kaya antabayanan po ninyo yung mga hearings, yung mga expose, at kung ano-ano pa. Uy! Nagka-lifeline si Alex. He's back. Nagka-lifeline ka pare, kaya nakabalik ka.
Did you hear any of the things that Senbam shared, Lex? Because I feel like you would maybe have, some things to say about it.
Hindi ko, hindi ko narinig.
This is our
Ang
show.
nakita ko lang may mga comments sa solar. Naka-solar kasi ako dito sa bahay.
Talaga?
Buti na lang.
Kaya magkano mo? Magkano electric bill? Pero ikaw matanong, magkano electric bill mo?
Dati, nag-fall siya ng mga 22.
Wow.
That's a lot.
Marami.
Family of
Ngayon, na lang, mga nasa 12 na lang.
Uy, not bad.
You are consuming around 1,600 kilowatt hours.
Yes.
Inaaral nga namin eh.
galing.
Hindi ako expert. Inaaral nga namin kasi malapit ako magbura. Sorry. Nung nakita mo yung bill, ang rami kasi doon, di mo talaga maintindihan eh. Di ba? Hindi mo maintindihan. Kaya ano ba to mga to? Kasi naging viral yan, di ba? So inaaral namin. So you're consuming about 1,000. Ano ba? 1,600?
Tama.
Tama.
Oo.
Galing,
Pero ngayon, nag-16K eh. Nag-17K ulit.
summer. Ay, tag-init.
Ay, kasi
Yeah.
summer.
Ano, dahil naka-aircon ka lagi or dahil nasira yung solar mo?
Hindi, tumaas lang siya.
Oh, kasi nagbakasyon din kayo
electricity? Because
Sorry?
is our electricity affected by everything that's going on already?
Dapat hindi eh.
Yeah, because you remember you mentioned it's cold. I mean, it's from the reserve, right?
Yes, dapat
Alam mo,
hindi.
dahil sa mainit din siguro, pinafactoring ko na rin.
Maybe general consumption is going higher kasi parang nagbago talaga yung weather in the last week and a half, di ba? Talagang uminit siya. Pero tatanungin ko rin yan kasi nag-propose yung DOE ng 1 hour, nakapatay ang kuryente for 1 hour a week every Saturday. So gusto ko rin malaman ano yung pag-iisip doon.
Tsaka dapat yung long term na yung pinag-iisipan and more, 'di ba, sources of energy. I mean, okay naman itong mga band-aid solutions, but long term, they should just really, 'di ba, find more sources of energy. Especially kung mainit naman, ding dami nating solar sana.
Mhm.
In our perfect world.
Perfect world. Kasi ano yan eh. So, it takes about 7 years for a power plant to be put up.
Okay, someone's asking about a power plant. Are there suggestions to revive and use Bataan nuclear power plant?
Yes, pero it's more of to go nuclear. To put up nuclear plants in the Philippines. Ako, I'm very open to it, honestly. Iba na rin yung nuclear technology ngayon compared to 50 years ago. So, there are
Hindi na siya
discussions
parang
about
The
it.
Simpsons.
May mic.
Yeah, because it's when you say nuclear, it
Yes.
sounds like it's horrible for the environment.
Yeah.
Well, ano siya eh, it's considered, tama ba? It's clean but not renewable?
I have no
Kasi wala
clue,
siyang
Ben.
emissions. We will get to the bottom of this, but there is definitely a push. Like some of our big companies nagsabi na they are exploring nuclear. Kulang pa tayo ng mga batas dyan. So we need a few more laws to get passed to be able to start the process. But even if lahat ng mga batas mapasa tomorrow, mga 7 taon pa rin yan. Bago yan matayo. Okay, so I just remember there was one presentation that I saw. Parang siyang micronuclear. Like hindi na siya yung malaking beehive dome like The Simpsons, 'di ba? They're like smaller installations, tapos yung nuclear material niya maliit na lang talaga. Yung output kasi niyan is the nuclear waste, right?
Which sounds like super scary.
Oo, but yun yung mga hinuhukay yun under the ground. That's the output basically, 'di ba? Of course the kuryente, and yun yung ano nga tawag doon, hindi emission but yun yung byproduct,
Ayun.
'di ba? If that's the correct term. Of course, if you look at the other types of power plants, may makanya-kanyang emissions rin yan, 'di ba? So if you can contain that nuclear waste, people say, or at least the proponents say na mas safe yan or mas malinis yan or ganyan. So anyway, we are exploring that. Maybe not Bataan, the same Bataan nuclear power plant, but yes, there is an attempt to explore nuclear para bumaba naman yung presyo ng kuryente sa Pilipinas because it's one of the cheaper ones also. No? So guys, baka di nyo alam, pero isa tayo sa pinakamataas na kuryente sa Asia.
So is solar really the best?
So solar, actually hydro nga eh. Hydro is the best.
Diba? It's everywhere. I mean, we're in islands, Philippines.
Si Maria Cristina, 'di ba, sa Mindanao. Oo.
Tatalon.
Oo, is still providing electricity tama ba? If I'm not mistaken.
Cool.
Yung hydro kasi maganda kasi tuloy-tuloy siya eh. Yung solar sa umaga lang eh.
Okay, yeah,
So,
right. Once the sun.
And again, hindi ako energy expert by any means, but my understanding is that may types of power generation na pang base load or pang all the time, tapos merong power generation na pang peak or for the times na malakas yung ginagamit, 'di ba? Yung consumption. And ang solar, if I'm not, again, please correct me guys if I'm wrong, hindi siya pang base load. Kasi posible siyang mawala. 'Di ba? Yung base load mo, yung tuloy-tuloy, kahit anong nangyayari, tuloy-tuloy
dapat
siya.
Dependable,
Oo, like
reliable.
hydro and coal and mga ganyan. Yun
Got
yung mga
it.
tuloy-tuloy. So, there's an energy mix that we try to achieve. And I think the goal of the country is to get more renewable as the years go on. Diba? Yun yung
Ayan,
target.
we have some windmills now, right?
Oh yeah. We have in Negros Oriental, if I'm not mistaken, in Ilocos. May mga ibang wind na rin tayo in different areas. But I think the majority of our power is still coming from coal.
Cool.
Oo. Merong ng LNG, yung natural gas, which is not renewable, but cleaner. Kung di ako nagkakamali.
Okay. All right. Do you mind if we switch gears?
If you notice, marami akong mga disclaimer Kasi again, kaya nga kami mag-investigate at magkakaresolusyon para mas malaman ng mga bagay na ito.
Yeah.
Exploring solutions.
Maiba lang. Okay na ba tayo sa loob?
Yes.
Go.
Ano masasabi nyo sa yung attempt daw kay Trump?
At the correspondence dinner?
Was that para ma-avoid yung media scrutiny or...
Parang a lot of people don't believe it's real.
Kasi sa tingin ko galit siya sa press
I don't know. I think totoo na may kaguluhan or may threat. Pero I don't know if the threat was really a huge
Like-
threat. Kasi if you look at the video, parang people weren't
Alarmed.
Oh,
Some of them.
yeah. And then parang ang bagal pa nung paglabas kay President Trump.
Nauna pa nga yung Vice President.
Nauna pa si JD Vance, 'di ba? Parang because I remember the first time he was yung nag-speech siya tapos na
Right.
sniper siya. Parang yung nagkagulo talaga, 'di ba? And parang this time nakapasok ba yung shooter or doon lang siya sa labas?
I think he maybe wasn't
He ran, di ba?
ballroom.
Tumakbo siya.
Yeah.
And then nahuli siya. So I'm not even sure physically how near he actually got. 'Di ba? But siguro mas interesting yung reaction ng mga tao. Na parang hindi naman totoo yan, ganyan. Parang that was the reaction of, at least sa feed ko, yun yung reaction ng mga tao, 'di ba?
Same.
Which is maybe more telling than the actual event itself, 'di ba?
But there are even theories na that one during the speech where, the bullet kind of grazed his ear, like that was stage 2.
I don't think that was staged, pero that's the storyline.
May mga theory na gano'n.
May mga theory na ganyan, 'di ba?
Conspiracy theory.
What is real anymore, Kay? Meron pa bang,
Diba?
parang kung may mangyayari, hindi naman totoo yan.
Katang isip na ba? Oo.
Ganun lang, di ba? Hindi totoo yan.
Sen, ito out of curiosity without naming personality. Anong ruling sa Senate or sa Congress kung kayo napadaan na o Senate sa inyo, halimbawa, di ba sa mga office, sa school, may mga absent. Anong ruling sa inyo? Meron ba kayong parang fine or ano?
Wala.
Wala ba yan sa ruling? Ibig sabihin, hindi ba yan dapat tignan? Halimbawa, isa ang
Wala.
senador, tapos absent ka ng absent. Meron kayong ganun? Walang penalty, ganun?
Wala. Because we talked about this actually, no? A few weeks ago. Although may update kasi dyan si Senator JV. So yung context ito obviously is about Senator Bato na hindi na pumapasok, no?
How long has it been now?
Buwan na yan.
Oo.
4 months?
Ako nga, ayoko na.
Maybe 4 months?
Ako, curiosity lang eh. Bilang public servant, bilang kayo public servant, ano yung, nyo na, ano tayo, kasi sa opisina, pag absent, may mga ganyan eh. Written, ano ba sa
Yeah, so
Senate?
ano kasi yan bro the difference kasi is we are elected by the people. 'Di ba? So in effect, kung tatanggalin kami or hindi na kami gustong makita dyan, yung mga tao rin yung magsasabi in the next elections, no? So there were cases already brought up sa ethics committee. I think that's under, I'm not part of the ethics committee, so hindi ako kasama sa mga hearings or hindi ako kasama sa mga meetings. But I read on my feed na si Senator JV said na I think Senator Bato might voluntarily just give up his salary, no?
Okay.
So can he be compelled to give up his salary? I don't think so. I really don't think so.
It's a decision that he has to make.
Because again, it's the people that voted us in. I mean, everybody there obviously won the election. So, yung totoong boss namin dyan, yung taong bayan. And ang assessment namin, hindi monthly, yung assessment namin every 3 years or every 6 years. Parang ganun kasi yung reality of being in an elected office. Now, the ethics complaint, of course, needs to be heard. At yun naman, it's ongoing. But I think right now, ang napag-uusapan is maybe the Office of Senator Bato can just voluntarily hindi natanggapin yung kanyang sweldo. Yun yung pag-uusap doon.
That's wild. I mean, I had to file leave yesterday because I wasn't going to come in at 5 in the morning.
But who hired you?
The station.
Oh, so it's up to the station to hire or fire you. Mm-hmm. Diba? And that becomes the interesting thing eh. In our case kasi we were voted in by the... Hindi madali magtanggal ng taong na vote in. Di ba? I mean, think about it. Kung presidente ka o vice president ka, kailangan ka pa ma-impeach. Di ba? It's extraordinary to get somebody kicked out. So for example, sa Congress, kapag may tatanggalin ako, that's a vote of everybody. And major infractions yon. Same with the Senate, di ba? Si Ethics Committee, technically kaya magtanggal, but the infractions need to be talagang immense, no? So, I know it's creating a lot of tension rin sa Senado kasi lagi bring up to sa amin. But maybe baka yung pinakamainam na lang na paraan is for their office to voluntarily do the measures na kailangan.
Are you saying it's automatically being deposited to his account? Baka naman he can just pick up the check.
Hindi naman. May ATM naman kami, guys. May land bank naman.
But
You know,
shouldn't it be
ATM.
that he goes to pick up his check? Why can't you just switch it up for him, the
No, but
billing system?
si Senator Bato, pumipirma pa rin siya. Oh, may nakita ko mga resolution, nakapirma siya eh.
Yun nga, yun din ang next question.
Pumipirma naman siya.
Yun din ang next
Hindi lang siya
question.
pumapasok sa Senado.
Ay ang next question ko, counted pa rin siya, ibig sabihin.
Yes.
Meaning, di ba may mga
Counted
majority
siya sa
vote?
quorum, counted siya sa lahat ng boto. Yes.
Okay.
Wow, okay.
Yes.
He's able to participate.
Yes. Nothing is stopped. And in fact, if I'm not mistaken, may mga ibang, tama ba? Kasi may isa akong nakitang resolution, nakapirma siya eh. So, he does participate. But he doesn't go to session. Diba? So anyway, I'm sure na pag-uusapan nila yan. But yun lang kasi yun eh. Yung, at the end of the day, yung boss namin,
Are the
taong
people.
bayan.
Yeah.
Yeah. We'll see what will happen with the ethics committee kapag meron na silang decision. And if there's a penalty, it'll go to the plenary. Pero you don't, in general, you don't want to supersede the wishes of the public that they expressed through an electoral process. Hindi ganun kadali yun. Kahit nga yung yung suspension, nangyayari yan sa mga mayor, sa mga ganyan. Pero yung expulsion, it's very rare. Usually may hinaghahanap pa yun ng conviction bago ka ma-expel. Diba?
Wow, okay.
Yeah, it's not hindi siya ganun kadaling bagay because we came into this because of the electoral process.
Have to vote
Sen.
wisely. Yes,
To vote
Lex.
wisely,
Sen, ito
guys.
pang question, Sen. Siyempre, pag alam naman natin, pag wala sa news, akala natin walang nangyayari, no? Similar to the flood control, na pag alam natin wala sa news, parang walang nangyayari. Parang ganoon din sa no? Sa gera ngayon. Anong latest update ba? Kasi parang biglang walang hindi naman talagang obligasyon nila i-text ako, no? Pero parang pero parang ano ba?
May
okay na,
talks.
ano ba? Okay na ba, di ba?
No, so in fairness, ongoing pa rin yung talks. Wala pa ring finality on the talks. Although may mga balita na gusto mag-walk out ni ganito, gusto umalis na ganyan, wala pa ring agreement. So ongoing yung talks. And as long as the talks are ongoing, the price is actually going down. So we've had actually, thank the Lord, a number of rollbacks in the last couple of weeks, diba? So potentially bababa yan. I don't think babalik yan sa 60. No, malabong bumalik yan sa 60. Pero bumababa siya because nagkakaroon ng usapan ng talks, 'di ba? Now, once those talks, if they break down, no, kunyari hindi talaga nagkayusan, nagbombahan ulit, tataas ulit yung presyo. So we're all hoping na these talks lead to an agreement, lead to peace, and in one form or the other magkaroon ng agreement yung mga parties. And again, these are parties outside of our country, pero tayo yung pinaka-apektado. So that's what's happening, 'di ba?
Did that answer your question, Lex?
Yes, kasi nag-ano lang ako dahil walang update sa akin. Hindi nag-text si Trump eh.
Ang galing rin kasi, no? Once nagkaroon nung assassination attempt or that thing, parang nabago na naman yung usapan, di ba?
Kasi hindi ko alam kung pwede na dumaan sa Strait of Hormuz. Hindi ko alam kung may plano kasi akong dumaan dun eh.
Can we ask your
Straight
thoughts
over.
on the whole Zaldico situation as well? That was all over my feed.
Oh
for
my
the week.
God.
The past couple days. What's that about?
I don't know, man. As in, na-announce, sinundo, tapos wala. Tapos ngayon, nasa France. Nangyayari. Ano nangyayari, guys?
Fashion week na ba? ano meron daw? Because for a long time, the people who had sightings, diba, sa Spain,
Parang UFO lang ha.
No, so,
Parang UFO
okay,
lang
so
sighting.
mukhang totoo naman that he was at the Czech border. Okay, and then, of course, nagkabalita dito. And then a team was sent to get him and in-announce.
Was he detained na? Like,
I don't even know. Even
baka
yung
nag-sighting lang tapos like,
No, even yung terms parang nagbabago eh. Kung detained ba
Yeah.
or pinahintay lang. Hindi ko na alam eh. Kasi parang detained
Border
yata is
check.
a technical term. So hindi ko alam kung, I don't even know.
Yeah.
But the point is, pumunta doon at wala. At ngayon, nasa France na. So,
Yan din ang yan din ang lagi ko sagot sa mga kaibigan ko pag nagtatanong sa akin about Saldi ko. Si Sen Bam nga, hindi alam eh, ako pa. Mas malapit siya doon sa ano ha.
Ikaw yung mga authorities ka. Di
Baka
ka
may
alam. Tayo
sighting yung
pa.
mga friends natin. Baka may sightings yung Good Times listeners.
Uy, alam mo yung Good Times listener, worldwide yan ha. Worldwide.
Yeah. Hi to everybody
Yes,
on
worldwide.
Discord. Maybe we can do like a roll call thing later on the show. Do you want to plug with us, Sen, before you go? Why don't we do that?
Anong pa-plug natin?
Because we do
Baka may
like
show ka, Sen. Baka may show
Baka
ka.
may show
baka
ko.
may
Comedy crew,
appearance
guys.
ka.
Comedy
Baka
crew.
may, alam mo yun, Sen.
Sa
Avail of the free education, study well.
Yes.
Ganyan.
Go, Sen.
wala naman akong ipa-plug
This
talaga
will
eh.
be
Basta,
your first time joining us on the plugging session.
what? Okay,
Yeah.
kayo lang. Sasabay na lang
Sige,
ako.
Lex.
Sige, go,
Show us
Lex.
how it's done.
Ito ba yung music
Sino?
na pang-plugging?
Yes.
Wow.
Oo.
Oh, Lex, ikaw na. Get us started.
Ay, sorry. Magkita-kita tayo sa April 30, Thursday. Mamayang gabi pala, sa open mic ako sa Sasonado. Magta-try ako ng mga new
Sa
jokes.
Senado? Pupunta ka
Sa Senado.
Sa Senado.
Sa Senado.
Akala ko sa Senado eh.
Number
Sabi siya, kasama niya sa
one.
comedy ko si Sen. Yan, Sasonado, Bistro Filipino, Sapphire sa Ortigas. Tapos, sa Thursday, April 30, andiyan ako sa Marco Polo, sa Views Sky Bar and Lounge. Kasama ko si Ruben Obra, Winner Aguilar, and CS De La Peña. Then, sa Super Sam, sa Parkal. Magkita-kita tayo dyan sa may Parkal Mall sa may Paranaque. Sama ko si Ruben Obra, Grisunyo, Victor Rivera, and Winner Aguilar. And then, Turning Tides, Marikina, May 2, Sabado. Snyder Maxino, CS De La Peña, Ruben Obra, Ramon Cabotchan, and Anthony Andres. Kita-kits dyan. Of course, Punchline with Alex Caliens, Ruben Obra. At magkita-kita tayo sa Ayala Malls, Fairview Terraces sa May 16.
Busy.
Sinihan yan, kaya kakaiba.
Sen? Oh my gosh.
Sa sinihan yan, kakaiba. Thank you!
Thanks,
Ay, babalik
Lex.
pala kami sa Japan.
Ha?
Japan
Ano
sa
naman?
June. Yes, Japan June 12, 13 and 14. Kita-kits tayo dyan sa Yokohama and Shiba.
Pwede ako sumama dyan?
Pwede, Sen.
Session break na yun, di ba? Pwede ba ako
Pwede,
sumama
Sen.
dyan?
Ooh.
Talaga?
Pwede, Sen. Oo.
Pwede ako nga ng
Bahala sa'yo.
groupie.
Sold out
Bahala
show.
sa'yo, Sen.
Bahala, may sushi ka. May sake. Pwede ako mag-plug, guys?
Of course naman.
Oh, guys, mamaya guys, Protect Hearing. Manood lang kayo. Kasama yun. Doon yun sa Senate, no? Sa Session Hall.
Stream, no? How do we watch?
Sa Senate. The Senate YouTube, nandun yun.
Yun.
Oo. And then maybe next week, may isa pa yung hearing. Education hearing naman po yun.
Yes, for
Punta lang po kayo. Wala, libre po yun. Kasama ko po dyan, si Senator Win Gatchalian, Senator Kiko Pangilinan, at marami pa mga senador. Sama po kayo. Yan. Okay ba? Okay ba vlogging ko, pare? Okay ba?
Tama. Tsaka sa mga nakikinabang, study well. Kasi,
Oo.
diba, this is your opportunity to, make use of this great law that you passed.
Salamat. Tsaka guys, ano yun? Libre yun. Walang door charge. Ayan.
Tama.
Diba?
Know your rights as
Naisip ko,
citizens.
di ba dapat on the other side, para ma-avail mo talaga yung huwag kang umulit ka na umulit.
Hindi, may ano yan. May,
May limit.
you have 5 years. So, you have 5 years to do it.
You have 5 years.
You have, out of a 4-year course, you have 5 years. O, may extra year na yun. O, di ba? Kung sometimes dyan may nabubuntis, honestly, di ba? Tapos they come back, they finish. Kaya 5 years.
Oh, you
Oo.
actually consider these things.
Yeah, or sometimes, kunyari, kailangan mag-drop out for a while para mag-ipon or tumulong sa pamilya or what. Pwede ka pang
Which is a
bumalik.
common story.
Oh, 5 years.
Nice. Okay. Over to you, Kay. What's going on?
Yeah. Oh, yes. My podcast, Case Drama. It's Sunny season. We went to Baguio and we will be coming up with an episode in LU. So yeah, we are going places, and we have an episode with Charlie and the Chocolate Factory, becoming Mrs. Bucket. So I will be having a play in July at the theater at Soler. I'll be playing Mrs. Bucket, Charlie and the Chocolate Factory. Get your tickets now at Ticket World. I'm working on parang a discount. So sana they give it.
Oh, kay pang kids yan? Kaya ba ng 8-year-old ko yan? Kaya.
It's really a family musical.
Okay.
So I shall invite you and your whole family.
Yes. Guys, by the way, pa-plugging ko rin pala. Nax. Plugging music pa rin, di ba?
Yeah.
So lalabas na po ang guidelines ng scholarships for the RLE sa mga nursing at medtech students. So ilalabas na po namin yan with CHED and pwede yan ma-avail for the start of the next school year. That's 500 million pesos worth of scholarships na ilalabas po at 25,000 pesos each. So yung mga RLE, ito yung binabayad ng mga nursing students sa mga ospital na
Ito yung
ayaw natin.
problematic sila,
Yes,
diba?
very problematic.
And it's how much?
No, yung scholarship is 25,000 but yung binabayad nila can go up to 80,000.
Oh, wow.
Yes,
Yeah.
depende yan sa ospital eh. So guys, ilalabas na yan ng CHED. The way to apply is online. Hindi yan through politicians or even through our site. It's gonna be through the CHED site. No? So ilalabas po namin yan. May slot siya per region, may slot siya per area. So it will be distributed across the country but there are only 25,000 slots. No? So ilalabas po namin yung guidelines. We hope yung mga nursing students, I think other medical related courses kasama dyan. Basta ito yung pang RLE very, very soon.
People are so tickled that you are on the plugging part
Ang
of the
saya nung plugging
program.
part Oo, ganito na lang tayo. Puro plugging na lang.
Dahil dyan,
You're so
Sen,
cute.
na-inspire ako sa ilalabas, nursing. Naalala ko tuloy yung pelikula namin na Project Baby. Ilalabas na sa June 10, Regal Films. Masingit ko lang. Project Baby, Rico Blanco and Sue Ramirez.
Ayan,
yung role mo?
comedy, horror, love story.
Comedy, rom-com.
Rom-com.
Yeah.
What's
Best
your
friend ako
role?
ni Rico. Best friend ako ni Rico.
talaga?
Oh, really?
Yeah. Yeah.
Si Sam.
He'll be...
Reaction ni Samo. Huh?
Oo, dyan. Basta ang alam ko, he'll be safe here.
Ayun.
Cute. Okay, my turn.
Okay, your turn, Samo.
Zion Christian Mission Center PH offers free Bible classes. You can get it in app form now as well. Please look for ZCMC SPS, which stands for Self-Paced Study. This is absolutely free. You can get it wherever you get your apps. You can learn the entire Bible from Genesis to Revelation in a very structured manner. I will share the sign-up link on the Discord, and there's one on my Instagram profile as well, at IamSamO. And on May 2, I'm gonna be hosting this event for Easy Brand's signature, a meet and greet event with Poram He is this Korean Brazilian 2023 World Barista Champion. He's gonna be in the Philippines, and we're gonna be at Eaton Centris The Elements.
Sam,
Yes?
bakit parang di mo kamukha yung picture mo dyan?
Ha? Kamukha ko kaya?
Kamukha mo ba yan?
Although, Sen, you know what? I really should like get a headshot done or something because this is the picture that I use for all the posters. And I think it's been like
Shucks.
15 years.
Yan ang
or
pagtitipid.
something.
Malala ba yung mata ko or
Iba talaga, Sen. Tama ka.
parang iba, no?
Oo. College pa siya niyan eh.
Hindi malayo. Sa totoo lang. Okay.
College pa siya niyan eh. Oo.
But anyway, please join us if you're gonna be in the area again on Saturday at 5 p.m. with Easy Brand Signature.
Si Bora may Korean Ryan Agoncillo.
Parang opa siya, diba? Very interesting, this guy. He's
Okay.
Korean by ethnicity, but I think he grew up in Brazil and they have a coffee plantation.
Okay.
And I saw a video. Can we not zoom into my picture direct? Thank
Ano
you.
ba to? Sa Ched ba to? Si sa Ched? Ay, kala ko sa Ched. Sorry.
And then I saw a video of him, during the Barista Championships where he won. And it is like the most technical, like artistic approach to coffee. It's
Oh,
really
cool.
amazing.
It's an art
Really
and a
amazing.
science ang paggawa
Ay,
ng
may mga drawing yung bula? May mga drawing yung bula?
Anong drawing mo?
foam. Yung
Ay, sorry.
milk foam.
Sorry.
Milk foam.
Crema.
Foam ba yun?
crema.
Foam pala yun.
Crema.
Crema ba
Wala
yun?
sa akin.
Sorry.
Bubble party yata yung sasabi mo from the 2000s. Full party rin yun.
Mara's not here, but GameWithMara.com
Yes.
and Cafe 76. Yeah, okay.
Yeah, Purple and Green Hearts for your
Purple and Green
discount.
Hearts. Okay.
Send Bam, before you go, my one request is whenever you can, make sure to plug that we want a walking city. Walking city.
Oh,
so
yeah,
I mean,
Kay
just a
wanted
part.
to talk about this.
Yeah, ayun lang. I mean, gas prices will go up and down, but
Yeah.
what if we could walk more?
Pwede ka naman mag-walk. Dangerous doon lang.
Wala kang
Yun na
sidewalk
nga.
eh. Problema
Yun
sa
na
atin.
nga, di ba?
Okay, so last na lang guys.
Yeah.
I remember in my first term, there was a plan to put like a walking path na katabi ng MRT.
Things like that. Anything.
Ganon.
Anything.
Or 'di ba sa ibang mga bansa, pwede mong lakarin, papasok ka sa mga mall, lalabas ka, may
Right,
konting
they're
walkway,
connected.
ko-connect mo yung mga malls, 'di ba? So that's a good idea for
And
Metro Manila, for Metro Manila.
Even pedestrian walkways, like sometimes kung kunwari nasa border ka ng isang city at ng isa pang city, di nila i-connect yan. Bakit?
Hindi, yung pedestrian walkway, pero kahit mismong sidewalk, wala nga tayo eh.
Yeah.
Well,
Why is
that-
that though? Like
the basic.
I don't
Are
know.
we against, like walking around?
Gadget tayo sa sidewalk, gano'n.
Bakit?
May time kasi na skandalo si sidewalk eh, tapos kinancel natin.
Diba?
Hindi, but but absolutely correct.
Yeah.
Absolutely correct.
Yaman.
Yeah.
Noted,
Ang
Kay.
unang magre-reklamo dyan, snatcher. Wala silang mapagtakbo.
Anong city ang
Pinaka-walkable?
pinakamaraming sidewalk at walkable?
Is it
Ano?
Makati?
Akala ko joke
Singapore. Sa Singapore.
Hindi lahat
Sa Philippines.
Sa Philippines.
Ah, sa
Hindi lahat kasi 'di ba may Makati CBD, pero may ibang parts of Makati rin naman na wala rin naman sidewalk, or
Yeah.
even Pasig, may mga looban ng Pasig, 'di ba? Hindi lang naman yun Ortigas Center.
Is it BGC?
That's
Taguig?
Taguig.
Yeah.
BGC is inside
Small
Taguig, but if you look at yung buo talaga, hindi ko alam, baka may yan. May mga award ba
Manila.
yan?
Manila ba?
Manila ba?
Laki.
Someone's
Marikina, baka Marikina.
Iloilo. I'm seeing
Ah.
Iloilo a lot on the Discord.
Okay, cool.
Talaga?
Yung development rin kasi ng Iloilo is like the spike in their development maybe is the last 20 years.
Galing.
So they really built a lot of the infrastructure with that in mind already.
And getting so well known as a foodie destination.
Inasal.
Hindi, tsaka yung presyo mababa kasi, di ba?
Babalik at
Yun din
babalik sa
naman yun.
pagkain. Guys, thank you so much.
Thank
See
you,
you next
Sam.
week. Salamat,
Have
salamat.
a great day. Thank you.
Ingat.
Thank you.
Thank you, team.
Good luck with all the hearings. Let's go,
Good luck with the hearings,
Philippines.
San. Thank you. Okay. All right. That brings us to our third hour. Look at us, team. You guys ready?
Woohoo.
One more hour and
One more hour?
Ano ka ba? Magbe-break ka ba?
Early
Sam?
dismissal?
Ano?
Magbe-break ka ba?
Hindi na early to.
Hindi na. Ano?
Break
Hinga
muna
tayo?
tayo. We can think about it over the break. How about that?
Sige.
Back
Okay.
after this.
Good times.
Okay, can you guess who I am? Who am I impersonating?
Oh, Kuya Alex?
I'm a Kardashian. I'm shaking my salad. Did you ever?
I don't watch the Kardashians so much.
They're
I play the
always eating salads for lunch, shaking them vigorously. That is my impression. Anyway, I wanted to say hi to my friends over at Hey Salad. They've been feeding me yummy salads the past couple of days. You can follow them at Hey Salad PH.
Hey,
Thank you.
Salad.
So si Alex.
I think it's gonna be like this now. He just drops in and out.
Kasi nga brown out in his area.
In his
out
area?
In his area.
Not a cool thing.
So tell me about this play. By the way, I was listening to Casey Constantino's podcast. She had Jackie Lu Blanco on.
Ooh.
And she said, na, you know what, I'm paraphrasing, but something along the lines of like, you're not a true actor unless you've tried theater.
Ooh.
Would you agree?
I did watch her recently. Wait, what was the title of that play? It was in Ateneo.
Oh.
What's happened to my brain? Oh my God.
Baka naman matagal na yan.
No, it was just like last month.
I feel you, girl. This
And
is
my
me.
best friend, Mickey Bradshaw, was in it. What is the title? It was about grief and AI. And
Oh, she talked about this. Yes. So that's the
Barefoot
play you saw.
Collabs Anthropology.
There you go. Okay.
She's so excellent in it, and she's like a perfect casting for Jenny Hamora's mom, because when you see them on stage, para silang pinagbiyak na bato.
Talaga?
Na buko. Pinagbiyak na.
I don't think it's buko, okay?
Pinagbiyak na.
Bato, baka buto? Bunga.
The saying. Pinagbiyak na.
Is it bunga? It's bunga. Tama.
Is that the saying?
But can we change it to buko? I like the buko.
Kasi yun naman yung binibiyak talaga. Pinagbiyak na.
Buko.
What? Ano pa ba bibiyakin? Pinagbiyak na bunga? It doesn't even rhyme.
Yung biyak na bato is a place daw, okay?
Pinagbiyak na buko. Yeah, it is.
Is it?
Madalas ding, it's pinagbiyak na buko o madalas ding sabihin na pinagbiyak na bunga. Isang idioma o sawikain.
Sawikain. Ang lalim. Well, yes, kasi buko naman is bunga. So, insert bunga here. Should work. Right?
Yeah, and it's popular in the islands, Philippines. So yeah, she's saying that if you are, I guess kasi when you go on stage, there's really nothing to hide behind. Diba? It's like a live performance. Everyone's gonna see you. They're gonna see you shake or feel everything at that moment. And it's a shared energy din kasi. So it's also something to explore. It's not the set energy where it's all the crew that's there. You're sharing the energy of the crowd. So it's also a different animal.
Is it a different animal or is it just so much harder to do it on a stage live? Or
I think it's also just the curiosity of, do you want to do it? Kaya, diba, when you're an actor, I think it's also, you want to explore all the different possibilities.
Mm.
And that's I think that curiosity and that tapang to do that. It will unlock so many new things. And if you really want to act in all its ways, then it's something to try.
And Kay, this is what you do. It's amazing.
It is not easy.
Yeah. Wow. Okay. So
physically, mentally, everything. So yeah, I want to talk about this play that I watched over the weekend. With Ann Curtis. You know, Ann and I went on a date. No. Her sister's doing a play.
See, Jasmine.
Jasmine Curtis Smith is doing a play, and it's called Endo. It's being staged at the PETA Theater in Quezon City. PETA Plus on Instagram will have the details. So she is with Royce Cabrera. He's a really good actor. I watched him in Marupok AF, directed by Cor Canaris. He's so good also.
AF, guys.
So Endo, if you don't know, is End of Contract. And it used to be a movie.
Okay.
Yeah. And it was adapted to the stage. And it talks about the gig economy. So, yan, live seller, mag-aangkas ka, lahat
it's so
gagawin
current.
mo.
Oh, wow.
It's so current. And they think they updated it like to the very like last minute to include everything. So, ang ganda-ganda. And Endo, #Endo on stage. Ticket to Me is selling the tickets. It's a bare stage. It's very minimalist. And then maybe there's like sometimes tables, but everything is through movement. Ang ganda-ganda ng pagkaka-stage. So super something new, something to watch. Beautiful.
This is very interesting.
Done. Yeah. Especially, we're talking about kanina yung parang the discrepancy of who earns what and how the system is going against you. So, yeah, something to really explore theatrically. Kasi parang sometimes you know of the problems that we're facing, but when you see it artistically staged, iba din siya.
Where to get tickets again?
Get your tickets at Ticket to Me. Mayo Una would be the perfect time to watch it. Yeah, my castmate from Quezon, Noel Polak, bought May 1. So yeah, please support.
Like he bought the entire show?
Yeah, kasi sometimes when you're in a play, you don't really earn a lot as an actor. So one way to curb that is to show buy. That's one way to, and then you invite your friends and everything.
That sounds
to
so
watch.
big time. I'm going to buy the entire show for the day, you guys.
Yeah, I've done it maybe once.
Yeah, you've done
yung
this.
Ako lang, Meralco, for when we did West Side Story a long time ago. It's a lot of work, but also one way to actually earn.
Cool. No, it sounds really, really interesting. I think I might go see it.
Please.
For real, yeah.
Yes. And July, Charlie and the Chocolate Factory.
Which
for
we
some
will
fun.
also see because we want to support you, Kay.
Thank you.
Okay, I think we can call it a show today. What say you?
We can.
Yeah.
But yeah, hi to all our listeners again. Thank you. You said you were going to do a roll
Oh my gosh,
call.
you want to try it? Have you ever done this? You have, right?
We have, but not like two of us.
So let's try doing that.
Oh my gosh.
Who's going
Wait.
first? Oh.
Wait.
we have to we have to prepare. Wait lang, guys.
Ooh, we have to vocalize. Ooh. You know my problem. Every time I open my Discord app, I don't even know how to get to the show.
You know what?
Like,
this is a problem I have.
So
as
right,
well.
there's that, right? And then where is the show?
I somehow and I'm pretty sure I'm doing it wrong, but I just look for the thing that says live and I just click on it.
Where is it?
I don't know. I don't know what to tell you. Because sometimes I
finally
struggle.
Sometimes, I found that the link to share is in invite. That much I know now. See, there's so many buttons. None are clickable.
Yeah. I don't. Is that even the Discord? It kind of looks like the playback, the one that we were using before.
No, this is the Discord app.
Okay.
And there are just so many buttons. It's live now. It says we are live. Oh, I found it.
Oh, there. Okay. Are you ready?
Okay, wait. Ang ingay. Hello. Ayan na, nag-start na sila. Nag-start na sila, Sam.
Kanina pa. Do you want to go ahead? You want to go first?
Mimi! Pilot is here. Hello. Cool to P always here with us for us. Townsville. Oh my gosh, ang bilis! Mimi in Banana, Limerick in Ireland. Oh, JNB in Limerick, Ireland. Beatrix, ha.
What?
Kulasa in Tandang Sora. Oh, we got Alex Calleja.
Hoy, Lex.
Kutsara Tinidor here. Logo kasi yan, Kay. I'm clicking the wrong thing.
Oh, Lex is back. Oh,
Yes.
Lex. Oh, do you want to take over?
No.
Okay, ako muna. Right.
Billionario
Okay.
on Pickering, Ontario
mabasa
in
eh.
Canada.
Wait
Doril in Toronto.
Okay, just feel free to throw it to someone else when you're done, Kay.
Rubes in Toronto. Waterloo. Is that a joke? Like, this is my Waterloo?
No, I
Flights in Waterloo, K.
I think meron talaga.
Petunia in
Sige,
Pampanga.
remember now.
KP in Makati. JNB once again in Limerick, Ireland. Take it away, Alex Kalia. Hey.
Ito. Emerben, Sagamihara, Japan. Jemsi, Pampanga. Manakanaka, Denver, Colorado.
Uy, Manakanaka.
Miss Onyx, Calgary. Straybird, Cope, Alcaba. Alandre, Melbourne. Runaway, 75, Clark, Pampanga. Superboy, Upper Antipolo East. Dr. Evil Pork Chop. Bahala ka, hindi ko nabasa. Padgett.
Negatron Kainta.
Megatron, Kainta. Cattery, Los Angeles, California. Ribop Lavin, Muntinlupa. Karen, Sydney. And Ari, Makati. Amari here. Sabi pa niya, San Pedro, Laguna. So yun. Rose, Brisbane. Marty McFly. Sarnia, Ontario. Mer, Calamba, Laguna. Okay na yan.
Mayang Aga Marie in Bacolod.
Let's see. I have I Love Coffee in Philinvest, Alabang. And Alodia,
Hey.
0977 in Makati. Anyong is in Tagbilaran City, Bohol. Advance Happy Fiesta to you guys over there. Watership. No, that's not it.
Watership
May
and
is
Joy.
in Zamboanga, Sibugat. Also, Margie is in Nangka, Marikina. Aizel is in Paniki, Tarlac. And Nina is in Mandaluyong. Hey, Amanda. Amanda Crowd is here. Leonard, our friend Leonard is in Pasay. Leonard, your painting for the show is on its way to Mohan. We gave it to
Thank
Mara.
you.
Yeah, thank you very much. We also have Runway 75 in Clark, Pampanga. Anna is in Capitolio, Pasig. Bonita is in Bataan. Brain Dancer also in Tarlac City. Maria is in London. And
Ooh.
Hadriel 2317, Happy Fiesta, Hinigaran, Negros Occidental. Oh my gosh, I've been to Hinigaran, guys. And I've been there. Hi to everybody in Hinigaran.
Sam.
Yeah. Especially to the mayor and the vice mayor. They are lovely. Also to Jerwin, who's in Shaw Boulevard. Stone's throw away. And Mayamang Broke in Gold Coast. Anybody? Anything else?
Kylan Capitolio.
Alex Calia from South Signal, Taguig.
Carrie Bradshaw in New York City. Sex and the City.
The actual Carrie Bradshaw, obviously. Okay.
Jason in Vancouver, Canada. Jeff in Los Angeles. Mimi is in Binondo.
Hi,
Hello.
Mimi.
Silent Breacher South Signal for the win. Flyer K in Cebu. Exabit na dito sa puso mo.
Isel, ang lugar na hindi mo mapupuntahan, malolost.
Kahit ways, kalaban.
Cute nyo.
Send Bam sa Senado. Yeah, wala pa siya doon. Oh, Roel from Calauan, Laguna.
ED na, Alex.
Sino to? Piyesta daw sa Friday sa kanila, sa Negatron.
Daming fiesta.
Oo. Tapos, Unbreakable Block. Ang lugar na maraming oil.
What?
Cebu.
Oh, okay.
Cebu.
Do you wanna go out with
Hindi pinansin ni sa amin joke mo.
Sebo ba yun? Is that a play on Sebo?
Tagal. 5 minutes na. 5 minutes na.
Mag-ED na kasi. Do you wanna go out with an OPM song? Okay.
Right.
Yeah. What do you want?
Something from Cup of Joe.
Cup of Joe. Let's see. I have, of course,
Wala kasi yung saranggola eh.
Multo.
Multo.
Bagyo. Multo. You want multo?
Kasi nga, wag daw natin kalimutan yung ghost projects.
Ganda nun.
Sabi
Ganda
ng contestant sa Showtime. Yeah, let's go.
Wow. Okay. All right, guys. Thanks
Baguio
for hanging
City
out
represents.
So it's time?
Yes, it's time.
Thanks,
See you
guys.
tomorrow. Bye.
Good times.